there, little artists! Are you ready to explore the colorful world of makeup with us today? We're going to draw a fabulous makeup box and some fun tools that you might find inside. Let's dive in and get creative. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker and let's begin by drawing the outline of our makeup box. We'll start by drawing a rectangle and dividing it into two parts. In the top part, we'll draw another rectangle and inside it, let's add a cute heart shape. This will be our mirror. In the bottom part, let's draw 6 small circles. These will represent our makeup colors. Now, let's add some fun makeup tools to our drawing. Draw a brush on one side, then another brush next to it. Don't forget to draw a lipstick. And a nail polish bottle to complete our collection of beauty essentials. Once we've finished our drawing, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker. This will make our artwork stand out and give it a polished look. Get ready to add some color to our artwork. Show your color pens, and let's start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Green color. Orange color. Yellow color. Pink color. Brown color. Red color. Purple color. Blue color. Cherry red color. Purple color. Yellow color. Indigo color. Orange color.
Awesome!
Green color. Yellow color. Cherry red color. Light red color.
Cool!
Indigo color. Light purple color. Amazing work, little artists! You've created a fantastic makeup box and tools filled with bright and beautiful colors. Keep exploring your creativity and having fun with your drawings. Until next time, happy coloring! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.